This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
There are three layers of tissue in the wall of the eye. These are the outer fibrous layer, which is known as sclera, and anteriorly it is cornea. The middle layer or vascular layer, that is choroid, ciliary body and iris, and innermost nervous tissue layer, that is retina. Now we will study them one by one. First is outer fibrous layer. The sclera or white of the eye is outermost layer of the eye tissue of the posterior and lateral aspect of the eyeball. It is continuous anteriorly as transparent cornea. Sclera is composed of fibrous tissue and it helps to maintain the shape of the eye, that is spherical shape, protects internal structures and provide attachment to the muscles which help to move the eyeball and are known as extraocular muscles. Cornea is a clear, transparent epithelial membrane. The cornea is convex anteriorly and is involved in the refracting or bending the light rays and focus them on retina. The place where cornea and sclera meet is known as limbus. Its thickness is about 1 mm at the periphery and 0.5 mm at the center. Here we can see this is the eyeball which is in the orbital cavity supported by fatty tissue, and this is outermost layer is sclera to which the extraocular muscles are attached which help to move the eyeball like this, left, right, up, down, in this way. Then first we have studied the sclera. So sclera is the outermost layer and it is white in color because it is made up of white connective tissue, that is fibrous tissue. Anteriorly it is transparent. From here to here it is transparent and known as cornea. So here we can see this white part is sclera and this is transparent rounded part, it is cornea. The place where both are attached here, it is known as limbus. Then we come to middle layer. Middle layer is vascular layer because a lot of blood vessels are here and it is deep chocolate brown color because of these blood vessels. It consists of many parts such as choroid, ciliary body and iris. The choroid lines the posterior 5/6 of the inner surface of sclera. So here we can understand it. This is the sclera and this is choroid. Okay, so it is chocolatey brown, dark brown in color. Okay, here it is also. So this is the choroid. It is very rich in blood vessels and is deep chocolate brown in color. Anteriorly it is connected to the iris by ciliary body. So here it is iris, it is ciliary body and it is choroid. In this way they are connected to each other. Now we come to the ciliary body. Ciliary body is the anterior continuation of choroid consisting of ciliary muscles which are smooth muscle fibers and secretory epithelial cells. The ciliary body holds the lens in place via suspensory ligaments. So here this is the part of choroid and here this ciliary body starts. Okay, and ciliary body contains the suspensory ligament which holds the lens in place. Okay, and iris is also attached to it. This is the part of iris. Iris is a contractile diaphragm between the cornea and lens. An opening in its center is called pupil. It is the visible colored part of the eye. So we can see the color of the eye through the cornea. So this colored part is iris. It acts like a diaphragm of the camera. It can reduce and it can dilate. Okay, that is known as constriction and dilatation of the pupil, because there is a hole which is known as pupil. It is a circular body composed of pigment cells, two layers of smooth muscle fibers and one circular and one radiating. Okay, so two types of muscle fibers are there. When circular muscle fiber constricts, it becomes narrow, the pupil becomes constricted, and when radiating muscles constrict, the pupil become dilated. And due to this constriction and dilatation, the iris controls the amount of light which enters into the eye. The color of iris is genetically determined and depend upon the number of pigment cells present. Albinos have no pigment cells and the people with blue eyes have less pigment than those with the brown eyes. So this colored part is iris, and in the center there is pupil. Here you can also see this is a part of iris, it is circular.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.